I got something I want to show you guys. I got some new mirrors going on my car. Josh just threw that mirror on my car. What do you think?
That ain't going nowhere.
Let's forget how clear that glass is. I can hang my bag full of t-shirts on there. I haven't had any mirrors on my car, and I decided to put some on. This right here is Josh with DIRTBAG Brands.
How you guys doing?
And he makes a pretty nice mirror. And Josh got a hold of me. I met Josh a year ago out here at Camp Razor, and my son bought a set of his mirrors right here. Very nice. You guys are gonna have to bear with it because we're right here. We're live in Glamon right now. It is happening. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw some mirrors on my car. But my son's had them for over a year. These things are great. They're solid. We love the way they look. They're super clear, so you don't want to look at me in the mirror. You don't want to look at me because I'm ugly in that mirror too. I like blurry mirrors because I look better.
I apologize for that, just because we want to make sure that even the wives can do their makeup in the mirrors too, with that level of clarity.
And bringing that up, my wife, Christine, you guys all know Christine, I didn't really want mirrors because I just didn't feel the need for it. I have that big center mirror that I love and I can see everything. But Christine really wanted the mirrors, and she was all excited when Josh said he was gonna let me borrow a set. He's gonna let me borrow a set of mirrors. I'm gonna take them out, I'm gonna run them, I'm gonna drag them through some bushes, I'm gonna do 75 miles an hour, because I don't know if my Can-Am goes any faster than that. Maybe 80 on the drags. And we're gonna run these things through, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about them, my honest opinion.
Absolutely, we ask for nothing less.
So I got Josh here. We already installed one, so check it out. And he's gonna, this is all he needed. A couple of tools.
That's correct.
Pretty easy.
Allen heads and some 13 mil.
And these things he's gonna explain it to you what all is in here, but it's got this thing where you tighten up, and then this bolt, and then this here has a mount. You can mount, it's got a mount here for a light, so you can put a light pod right here. He'll show you on the other one. And then it's got some funky stuff, and this is some high-tech stuff. I told Josh, dude, you're not just throwing together mirrors in your garage, buddy.
No, we actually took it a step further. We use what's called a boss in the machining world.
Okay.
And it's an acorn shape. And so you get 2 areas of fitment on there. And that's what makes it unique. A lot of ball systems, if it relies solely on the ball, fail. We do an acorn where you tighten it in, so you get the bolt, that tightens it down. Then you get what's called a friction fitment around it, so it prevents it from going left and right.
Let me translate. It's like a flare nut, okay? So it's like this, and when it tightens down on that thing, it's like 2 orange cones that fit together, basically.
Absolutely.
And it tightens it up, and I'll tell you what, this thing is sturdy. Look at this, watch this. Like, he tightened that up, it is sturdy. I can hang my bag full of t-shirts on there, all right? This is a bunch of t-shirts. I don't have one for him. He says he wears 3X. This is a big man right here.
I'm only 6'7".
6'7". But look at that. Without it sagging, pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. I'm happy with it. I love it. Let's get him started on the install, and then I'll show you a couple other things with this mirror.
Let's do it.
Let's go for it. And there's Chris with his rentals. Make sure you get over here to Gilmore and get yourself some rentals. They're renting on. What's up? How are you? Hey! Randy, was it?
Yep.
Yes, sir. How are you?
Pretty good.
It's Randy. He showed up. He's watching the install. You're new out here?
First time here.
What do you think? Hey, we got Randy here with the personal opinion. Josh just threw that mirror on my car. What do you think?
That's nice. I like the size of it. I don't like the small mirrors.
Okay.
The size is great. Fold away and everything.
It's got a lot of vision through here, which I like when I'm sitting in the car, you know? See how it sticks out?
Yep.
So it actually gets your vision past the tail of the car over here.
Yeah, see, that's the problem with a lot of them.
Right?
Yeah, I've got that with mine right now. I can't see out.
But you know, a guy, a poser like me, I don't drive. I'm just out here to look cool.
That's aren't we all?
What do you think? How's it look?
Looks good. Looking good.
I think it looks pretty good. I'm pretty stoked on him. He's gonna throw the other one on. You just put that on in like 2 seconds. But look at all this adjustment.
Yeah.
You like, feel how sturdy that is. Feel that.
That ain't going nowhere.
That's freaking crazy.
About it. What kind of car do you have?
The turbo is sitting over there.
So we actually have a patent on the clamp and the system itself. That'll fit all roll bars 1.75 to 2 inch and work with those windshields.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Hey, where's your shirt, Randy?
I was going to wear it today.
And there she is.
I probably won't see you until tomorrow.
Leanne, I remember I saw them at the Sand Sports Super Show. thanks for stopping by to give us your opinion on the thing. I'm making a little video so everybody can see if they like these mirrors, and I'm going to take them out and rip them. I'm going to go find some bushes and drag through the bush.
There you go. That's the biggest thing. Make sure they fold back.
Right.
Then if they don't, then you got to loosen them up just a hair.
Okay. We're getting the pro tips.
To do on mine, because when
You're
I
telling
take it up into the woods.
Tim's never had mirrors before, so okay. So I want to loosen it up.
Mirrors for?
I've never had mirrors.
You're gonna love them. You're gonna love them.
I've never driven with mirrs.
Oh, you're gonna love them.
So
This is like one of the ugliest cars I've seen.
yay, hey.
What is this thing?
Hey,
What is
There
this
he
piece
is.
of crap?
We're getting. This is a
hey.
great video. Hey,
To him.
yeah.
You know what
These
I'm
are all
saying?
our friends in these little clear containers. How you doing, Justin?
Not bad, man. I had
He's
to come over
another
and
one
say
I
what's up.
watch.
Awesome,
Yeah,
brother.
yeah, buddy.
Good to see you. He's
Loving
throwing
it,
some
man.
mirrors on my car right now.
Oh, hell yeah.
I think I like them, dude. You
Nice.
put that one on over there.
Where'd you
I've
go with
never
them?
had
What are
mirrors
they?
before.
What? Never?
I've never had mirrors.
Because you don't have to worry about who's behind you.
That's right.
If you're never
I don't
behind it,
care.
it don't matter.
I just
Fuck
don't
it.
care. You know what I always say when I leave? I go, listen, I'm going to Olds. If you want to follow me, you're welcome to follow me. But I'm not responsible for what happens.
Facts.
So you want to know what kind of mirrors there are?
Yeah.
I'm Josh with DIRTBAG Brands. I'm the owner.
DIRTBAG Brands. All right.
Pleasure to meet you.
It's a good looking mirror from what I can see over there.
I was worried
Not bad.
about being able to see under it because I'm a shorty.
A 6061 billet aluminum and extruded piece.
Gotcha.
Acts like a spring. You close the jaws down on it, and because of our unique patent on it, this will fit all roll bars 1.75 to 2 inch.
Okay, so these tighten down, which then pulls this in and holds this. That's pretty doggone tight. And you just eyeballed it. We'll get them even. If they bug me, I can just loosen this up and move it, right?
Correct.
Very easily when the mirror's on, right?
Now, one of the things that we took into consideration with our 360
Okay.
is a lot of balls that are based solely on the ball system fail. So here, what we did here is with this bolt, this is the boss we talked about earlier.
Okay,
So
and that's where the cone thing is inside of
that's
there.
where the cone thing is. So what we're gonna do is tighten it down here.
So it's got pressure on 360 degrees side of it.
That is
That's
correct.
why you call it 360.
So, and we call it a 360 because it's loosened. You can rotate this 360 degrees any which way.
Anyway, 10 times. You could go around and around. It's pretty easy install. Like we're right here at Gilmore's and we're just throwing this on right now. Super easy. And he just does one piece at a time, lets it flop around as he goes. Pretty impressive. I think I'm gonna like them, dude. I was just so worried about being able to see right here, but because they stick out a little bit, yeah, because now I'm looking at other people's mirrors. Like over there on that Razor, that mirror's like right tight up against the A-pillar. You can't see past the tail end of the car. Oh, while he's tightening that up, let me show you what it looks like from behind the driver's seat. Here we go. Here we go. This is the actual view right here. Get my door shut. So here we go. There we can see Lindsay. Hi, Lindsay. Look at that. Pretty good. And there's a lot of vision through here. This was the main thing that I was concerned of, is to have this big blacked out area with the lights and the mirror and everything. I would lose this whole vision. But he came out with this new mount, different than their older mount, which is tighter. And man, I'm really loving this. I'm excited to try it. I was like skeptical on getting mirrors. So I'm really excited to try this out. I can actually see perfectly right through there. But look at how clear that glass is. You can see pretty darn good. And that one there, you barely even see it. It's like not in the way at all. I'm liking it. See everything behind me. I like it. And it's not, see, I still got vision under the mirror. That is so important to me. I love it. This is right here.
So we've got this nylock nut here. This is actually an internal nut.
Okay.
So all this nylock nut does is hold the pod light mount on.
So you do not need that nut.
You don't need the nut.
You
at all.
you could cut that off flush and it would still hold it.
It would.
So
It
this
would.
is all held here. See, this is all tight right here with no nut below there. All that nut does is hold your light on. So if you're worried about your light vibrating, that affecting your mirror is all by itself right there.
We actually have a nylon washer here to separate it. But by
Oh,
putting this
gotcha.
nut on, it actually acts as a double nut method mechanically. So that way it doesn't.
Scientifically, Tim's not a scientist. We all know this. Okay. Yeah, I said I want the nut on there because I think I'm gonna just cut it off right at the nut and then leave that on there. Don't keep tightening this thinking you're tightening this nut on. this tightens in and then you tighten this nut up to it, correct?
Correct.
Okay, so don't keep tightening this top bolt because it'll strip out inside of here.
So,
And this is all aluminum?
that's all 6061 billet.
Okay, no plastic on this bad boy.
Other than the nylon washers, that is a fact. So now we've got to tighten it this way.
Look at this. Look at him. Let's get a facial shot while you're doing that, because he's putting some tension on that.
And then we'll do final tightening on the bands.
Okay. Now, where can he get this mirror?
They can get this mirror from their local dealer. They can get it from Gilmore Off-Road if they're out in Glamis. And they can go directly to our website at dirtbagbrands.com.
Okay. Sounds good. And then you're on Instagram?
We are on Instagram. You can follow us on Instagram, Dirtbag Brands, all one word. We also have a YouTube channel, Dirtbag Brands, all one word, and the same thing for Facebook.
Okay.
So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.
There it is. Solid as can be. Look at that. It will move if you pry on it, because you probably want it, if you were to hit something, to fold back. But for the most part, yeah, let's get the bag. My t-shirt bag is hanging on the mirror. We could drive around like that. Pretty awesome. I think I'm gonna like them, but I will let you guys know for sure. Like I tell you, I'm not a scientist, so I can't say this is the best mirror on the market. But I will say, I like the mirror. I like the style, I like how sleek, and I like how it doesn't stand out, it's not gaudy. I really appreciate it, and I will take good care of your mirrors. They're Josh's mirrors, I'm just borrowing these.
Yes, he is.
And I hope he doesn't repo them. So go check him out, and if you guys like them, get yourself some mirrors. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you go down, like, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys, and I'm gonna go have some fun out in the dunes. See you on the next one.